Welcome back here with this Sportastic Kid. Today I'm going to be making a crayon canvas. All you need is 4 things. You need crayons, you need a canvas, you need hot glue, but you have to ask your parents if you can use it by yourself. And after that, all you need, last thing, 4th thing, is that you need a blow dryer. Step 1, you grab your crayons and put them on your canvas. So once you have your crayons where you want them to be, you grab your glue gun and then you glue them down. One cool thing I did was I traced my hands. I'm going to glue them onto the canvas. So after I melt these crayons and I take off the hands, it's gonna look cool. So once you have everything on your canvas, it's time to get messy. Reflecting to the purple. This is like a colorful waterfall. It's time to let it dry. This is what it looked like when I finished. I couldn't get the tape off of the hands, but I still like it. I hope you like arts and crafts with the Sportastic Kid.